Where are we, baby?
In bed.
Hi everybody, we are in Rome. Can we all just appreciate this beautiful view? It's just gorgeous. You know what, let's go inside. Wait, we have to do an outfit check. If you've seen our first vlog from Italy, you would know. I'm wearing this beautiful black mini dress, then my Adidas Sambas with white socks and my black tights.
And where did you get your Adidas?
Vojta got them for me when he was in LA. My sugar daddy. Vojta is wearing his Tommy Hilfiger jacket, white Stan Smith Adidas.
And Bragg 3 socks with Bragg TV tower.
Zara dark. No.
Náhodou tohle byl nejvíc funny náš ten haul ze všech.
Yeah. Okay, 3 times the charm. We got here yesterday at 5 p.m. I didn't vlog it because we just went to dinner and then straight to bed because we were dead. We drove here for 13 hours. The way here was really beautiful, even though I slept for like the majority of it, so I can't really say. And then this is what we got at the dinner. This is the restaurant that we went to. It was really good. They specialize in like seafood stuff, so if you live in our neighborhood, definitely go check them out. And that is kind of the point of this vlog, or like the point of this vacation, because the last time we were here in Rome, we were just like running around trying to see all of like the tourist monuments, but this time we really want to just chill and explore the food, okay? So it's gonna be like a food vacation. Also, the last time we were here, we didn't visit the St. Paul's Cathedral. What?
Since morning, I made 5,000 crowns.
Vojta is learning how to invest in stocks, and I'm actually doing it too, so you know. But yeah, as I was saying, last time that we were here, we didn't go into the St. Paul's Chapel in Vatican City, but this time we actually live just on the edge of Vatican City, so we're really close. So I think we're going to go now, and then we will go eat some food. So we wanted to get in, but this is the line. It starts there, so. After we saw the line, we just decided to skip on the chapel again, and we decided to head into the city instead. Is it beautiful?
It is, baby. Absolutely.
The day was so beautiful, like the sun was shining, and we walked straight into the center where we got lost in these beautiful little streets, and we explored so many of these like antique shops. And then we stopped at our first restaurant of this trip, which is called L'Antico Vinaio. I don't really know. It is this takeaway sandwich shop, and they focus on these traditional Italian sandwiches. You can choose from so many different options. We decided on a sandwich with mortadella, truffle sauce, and I don't even know what else was in there, but it was so freaking good. And then we just walked around the city until we ended up at Piazza Navona, where we just sit down, and I had some coffee and Vojta had a glass of wine. And then we went to Pizzeria Baffetto. I've actually been here once with my parents before, and I never forgot their Roman style pizza. Like, they make these pizzas which are super thin and crispy, plus their tiramisu is like the best tiramisu I've had in my whole life. This is just the best tiramisu ever. You have to try it. Then we again walked around, and we stopped at Brandy Melville, and I got some goodies. And then we also stopped at a grocery store. This might sound kind of strange, but every time we travel, we always go into the local grocery stores, and we kind of compare to what we have at home and what they have. It's like a cultural experience, okay? So don't judge us. But yeah, I was exploring the pasta section. Vojta was, of course, exploring the truffles and the wines. But yeah, then we went to this Pastasciutta. I don't really know how to pronounce this, but it is again a takeaway place, but this time for pasta. And you can see the line was again super crazy. So we just decided to skip on it, and we went home and had a little picnic on the balcony instead. Guys, I ate so much that I had to unzip the back of my dress because my food baby was like too big for this. First thing I got is this sweater. How pretty is it? Like, ah! Then I got this t-shirt, but I think I'm gonna return it because it's too wide here. And then I got these socks with hearts on them. Pretty. Okay, then for dinner, we again went to the place that we went the first night we were here, which is the Papa Rex restaurant, and they treated us to free welcome drinks because we went there the day before, so that was so nice of them. We got some delicious bruschettas. They were so good. And then Vojta got these fried shrimps. It was amazing. And then I got my favorite pasta. It's pasta amatriciana, which is made with pancetta, and that was literally the best freaking pasta dish I ate in so long. Like, I demolished it in less than 5 minutes. Like, this was my plate after. It was amazing. But yeah, then we went home and we went to bed. Good morning! Good morning, everybody. Today is our second day. It's Friday, and we are about to go into the city again. Yesterday was a really chill day. Like, we just walked around and ate. But yeah, today we again don't really have a plan what we're gonna do. Only thing we know is that we want to go out during the evening because it's Friday, so we want to go party. But other than that, we will see. So, let's go. Okay, we started our day by going for breakfast to the Pastasciutta that I showed you the day before and that had the huge line. There was nobody there because it was still before opening time, so we waited for like 5 minutes and then they opened the shop and we got some pasta bolognese. It was really just, it was so good. Then we just walked around the city. Vojta was again admiring all the truffle shops and I was just really wanting him to buy something, but he was like, no. Then we stopped at Brandy again to exchange some things, and then we walked around some more. We saw the Spanish Steps, and then we stopped at this dumpling place. It was so freaking good. We had like a tiny little tryout plate that had all the dumpling options they sell, and it was so good. The whole place had such a cool vibe. I loved the decor. Then we walked some more and we stopped by the Trevi fountain, which was so beautiful, and then we also saw the wedding cake and then the ruins. It was so cool. And then we stopped at like the most touristy restaurant I think we went to, which was just this restaurant by the Colosseum. I had some spaghetti pomodoro. They were so delicious, and Vojta had a really good Caesar salad. However, these two little buns in the middle were kind of you know? But yeah, then we saw the Colosseum and then we went home. Okay guys, so we just got home from the city. It's so freaking windy today. I don't know what's going on. I hope it won't start raining. But yeah, anyways, as you saw, I went into Brandy Melville again because I am a little indecisive biatch. So I ended up returning all of the things I got. I'm gonna give you a fashion show, okay? Let's do this. This is the first PJ set. It's like a creamy white with light blue flowers and this little cute bow and these cute shorties. Like, it's so freaking cute. Do you see this? This beautiful like bralette, and it has these beautiful hearts all over it, and then these cute little booty shorts, and it makes like this cutest set ever. And then I also got the socks to go with it, which is just, you know, some bigger hearts. Okay guys, so we just had 2 hours of nap time, and now we will go and grab some dinner. When we were going from the Colosseum with the Uber, we asked the guy what is like the best place for locals to go and grab some dinner, and he recommended this part of Rome, which is called this. I forgot the name, so I'm gonna put it here. But yeah, let's go! This is my outfit. I have my scarf that match with my Adidas and the hard socks. You look so hot, baby. We ended up taking an Uber because it was raining so hard, and the first restaurant that we really wanted to go to, which is Tonarello, had the longest line ever. So we just ended up going next door and sat down at this beautiful restaurant outside. It was so beautiful with the rain, and we had some truffle bruschettas for start. And then I had my first cacio e pepe in my life, and it was delicious. I demolished it. Vojta had some truffle lasagna that he also really liked, and then of course I had to end the night with some tiramisu. So yeah. I'm 22 years old. I am so, oh my god, no. I have a pimple. I just woke up and it's my birthday today. So we're gonna do everything that I want today, which we do anyway any other day, so. Today we are going to this Alfredo alla Scrofa restaurant, which is the place that the Alfredo was invented at. And then, as you saw, or I mean you didn't saw because we didn't go anywhere, but we didn't go to any clubs, so I really want to go to a club to have like at least one drink to cheers for my 22 years of living. I realized that I didn't give you an apartment tour because, I don't know, I just forgot. But I'm just gonna give you a really quick one because it's super messy. I should have given it to you like the second we came in, but I forgot. This is the Airbnb we're staying at. It's really good. It's located right next to the Vatican. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it if you're coming here. Okay, so this is the entrance hall. We have the beautiful door. We also have a kitchen, which is really cool. Coffee machine, kettle, chairs, fridge, and a stove. Everything. Then moving on from the hallway, we have the bathroom. It has this super cool mirror. I love the lighting. It doesn't really look that great on camera, but it's like the best lighting for makeup, okay? Again, it has everything you need. Sink, bidet, toilet. This is the shower, and it is see-through. See, like it has glass right there, so like Vojta can watch me when I'm naked in the shower. How convenient, you know? Okay, so moving on from the hallway, from the bathroom to this main room, which is the bedroom. The bedroom. You can tell right away who is the alcoholic in our couple. Like, look at his bedside table. And on the other side, it looks like this. We have these two chairs, a mirror, and a TV, which we don't use. But yeah, now for the best part. It has a balcony. Also, the view. Like, are we in a movie or what? So yeah, this is like my main character spot. That's it. Let's go to the city. It was such a beautiful day on my birthday. Like, God was very blessing me. But yeah, we started the day none other than going to the Pastasciutta yet again to have some fusilli with pomodoro sauce. It was so good, like so good. Cheers! Then we stopped at this very random touristy shop, and Vojta got some very cringy souvenirs for all of our friends, which was so good. Then we walked around the city and stopped for some wine, and then we went to the Alfredo alla Scrofa. This was the line before they even opened, okay? Like, it was crazy. Thank God I made a reservation because we were able to skip the whole queue. And we got the best table ever. Like, look at all of these pictures behind Vojta. It was such a cool spot. This aubergine starter was the best thing I tasted on this whole trip. It was gone in less than 2 minutes. Vojta got some tartar for his starter, which was really good, but kind of mediocre. I don't know. Then this was the pasta Alfredo. They do it in this very cool way. Like, a server comes and they mix it in front of you and they tell you the story of how the Alfredo was made. But to be honest, it wasn't the best. Then we left the restaurant and we stopped at our favorite place, which is the Piazza Navona again, and we sat down and had some wine. My baby was really not feeling the sunshine, as you can see. So we switched our spots and then we just talked and talked for hours on end. We were just full of the surroundings. It was just such a beautiful day. So we sit down at this bar/restaurant in Piazza Navona, I think that's the name. But we just realized that at this place there are cooking classes to teach you how to make pasta. So we just booked a class that starts in 30 minutes and we will fully cook ourselves dinner. That's like the best freaking birthday surprise ever. But yeah.
All the time. Oh my
God. We're certified pasta makers. How do you feel? Good morning! Okay guys, so we're leaving in a little bit. Rome was so much fun, and my birthday yesterday I think was my best birthday ever. But yeah, we wanted to go party during the evening, but it was still super early. Nobody was there and we were really tired, so we just ended up going home and sleep because today we are again going to be driving 13 hours back to Prague, so at least we have some energy. But yeah, before I end the video, I just want to give you my last thoughts about Rome. This was definitely a food vacation and the food was our main focus. Some places were kind of really overhyped, so I just want to give you a warning. My personal favorite, I would definitely recommend you to visit Pastasciutta. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's the takeaway pasta place. The number one restaurant that I would not ever recommend is, I mean, not ever, I don't know. It's the Alfredo alla Scrofa restaurant, which we visited yesterday. And it is a good place, like it's the place that the Alfredo was invented at. So it's a good experience to have. Like there's all these pictures of celebrities like Sophia Loren, Audrey Hepburn, Jimi Hendrix that also ate there. So you feel very cool. But the food itself is just kind of mediocre and the service is terrible. Everybody was so like mean. I don't know. I really didn't feel good at all there. Plus, the prices were crazy. Like it cost us more than a double of any other dinner that we went to. And they also charge you separate 13 euros just for the service. Okay, which again, the service wasn't that great at all. But yeah, the last big recommendation I would give to you is definitely go to a pasta making class. As you saw yesterday, it was kind of like a very spur in the moment decision. And I'm so glad we went there. I would definitely recommend the one that we went to in Piazza Navone. You pay $50 per person, which in my opinion is really good because you also have a dinner and a welcome drink included. Like when you get there, you have a prosecco first, then you have 1 hour of the pasta class, and all of the ingredients are obviously included in the price. And then they take your pasta away, cook it with any sauce you prefer, and you have a bruschetta for free, and then you eat the pasta, and then you have a aperitif or espresso for free as well. So overall, a really good price, and the experience is like none other. It was just so good, and I would definitely recommend that out of any of the things we did. But yeah, guys, that is it for me today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. If you have a minute, go check out my Instagram and my TikTok and also my Pinterest and also my Vinted. And that is it. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. No. I will see you in my next video. Bye!